Hey everyone, how we doing? And welcome back. And today we are looking at a Spanish coin, 25 peseta from Spain. So please, if this is something that interests you, please stay tuned and let's look into this. Right then everyone, so today we are looking at a coin from Spain, 25 peseta if I'm saying that right, from Spain. This coin is mid-70s, 1975 it says there, so yeah, quite fairly old. Coming up 50 years maybe soon I suppose, so yeah, it's definitely getting into that old turn. And I would definitely more than sure imagine that this coin is not in circulation anymore neither. So definitely worth keeping hold of if you've got one in your collection. As far as I believe, this face that's on the coin, I'm so sorry everyone again that this coin is not really in much of a great condition, but you can just about make out what's going on there, I suppose. Yeah, but according to what I've researched, this is the King Julian Carlos. Um, he was the king from 1975 to 1980 or something like that. King Julian Carlos, if I'm saying that right. I'm sorry if I'm not, but that's the only way I can see it off the coin somehow. Yeah, so obviously he was a king between 75 and 80 back then, so that's why he's on the coin. Yeah, apart from that, there's not much else going on the front side of this coin, to be honest. Just a picture of the king and the date, 1975, so it's a definite old coin there, and you can see around the edges there this thing's been battered around over time, so it's definitely been through the wall, I would say. So yeah, hopefully get to the bottom of this coin if anyone knows what this coin is about, or well, how long it was in circulation for and how much it's worth up against the British currency, because I really don't know. I can only tell you that it probably maybe 20 pence. I can only surmise or guess that it could be worth. So, yeah, okay everyone. That's the front side of the coin. I'll turn it over and show you the reverse side. Right then everyone, we are back, and this is the reverse side in its glory, even though there ain't really much going on. But right straight away it says there 25 pesetas. What that is worth, as I say, I don't know. And just below it, some sort of a design or emblem, or maybe looks like a star or something. It's hard to say, or maybe even, I don't know. It's hard to make it out. It looks like a star or something, maybe. Yeah, if you know what that is, everyone, please let me know, because what's at the bottom there, I'm really not sure. But no, and other than that then, is a crown. Now I'm probably more than sure this don't belong to Queen Elizabeth, this crown, so it must be belonging to the king when he had it. And this probably was his crown when he was in power. And he symbolised this on this coin. Again, it's not much going on here. There's not really much integral work. The crown, to be honest, doesn't really look that integral on it. It's just sort of like a basic design, really. You know, I've definitely seen much more design coins than this, and then pretty much that's all that's on this coin. Maybe your little dots going around the edge of it, but other than that, not really much more going on. So yeah, probably be a little short video with this one because there's not much more else to talk about here really. So yeah, that's it everyone. If you know more about this coin or what's going on with it, please let me know everyone, because I don't know. I just show and tell. That's all I'm doing. I'm just telling you what I know, and that's it. But other than that, it's an interesting coin to keep, and because it's from 1975, it's definitely worth keeping in your collection. So, happy days. Alright then everyone, so thank you very much for stopping by today and checking out this coin with us. And I'll be back very soon with another coin for you. And please stay tuned, please like and subscribe. And I will see you again very soon. Thanks everyone, and take care.